if you own a Pulsar product, you'd be right to expect it to do the job that it's built for really well. Performing in some pretty grubby and tough conditions. Performing day after day, year after year. They just love this British weather. Ah dear. So if your Pulsar product looks a little bit worse for wear, like this one, for the first time ever, T&C'S, the UK and Ireland Pulsar distributor, are bringing their service and support centre to the Great British Shooting Show 2024. So if your Pulsar has ended up looking a bit like mine, bring it onto the Pulsar stand at the Great British Shooting Show and they'll do their very best to help you.
Really? Okay, we can help with that. We'll answer your technical questions, check your settings, and if it's something simple like a missing eye cup or a damaged lens cap from where you've dropped your device, if we have the parts with us and we can do a quick repair at the shooting show, we will. And it's on us. To get your complimentary quick repair, a technical health checkup, or just a professional clean of your Pulsar device, bring it to the Pulsar stand at the Great British Shooting Show 2024, stand number E1, and we'll sort it out. Even if it's a bit more involved, come and have a chat with our expert technicians. We'll advise you on what can be done to help return your Pulsar unit to working at its best, whether that's through guiding you on how to update the firmware at home or through a more in-depth technical investigation and repair back here at our Pulsar UK Service Centre. If this was your Pulsar, you'd be daft not to read the T's and C's below. I'm Luke at T&C'S, and we'll see you at the Pulsar Service and Support Centre on the Pulsar stand at the Great British Shooting Show 2024.